What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin dropped yesterday. Bitcoin dropped and it looks like it's coming back today. We're going to take a look at the charts, going to take a look at what I'm seeing. I'm still bullish. Honestly, I'm extremely bullish. There's a lot of great news coming out and everything is pointing from how I see it that Q4, this last 3 months of the year after September, or maybe even part of September, is going to be amazing. And I'm also going to highlight one project called Sinverse. I've been talking about it recently. It's been pumping recently. It's people call it a micro cap, but it's one of the few projects that I've seen in gaming. And if you watch my videos, you already know I'm extremely bullish on gaming right now. It's one of the few projects that already has a working game, always working on make it better. 3.0 on Sinverse is coming out. We're going to take a look at that chart. And they were kind enough recently to they knew, because I'm a big proponent of the project. I don't have any relationship with them whatsoever, but they knew that I got hacked, and I got my wallet drained, and I had like 2 million Sinverse gone. Okay, and so actually today I saw that they donated some sin to my decent clip, a nice $100,000, I wish 100,000 tokens, which is pretty cool. Thank you to Sin for that. But we're going to highlight this project because technically and fundamentally I'm bullish on it, and now also emotionally because hey, not just any project does that shows a lot. That shows a whole lot. And so we're going to take a look at this project as one that I don't think you should miss. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, first let's see what's going on last night. You can see, check this out. Dropped, right? People probably got really scared. 55,600. Not sure exactly what caused it. Probably just, I mean, we've done it before, right? We've done it before. The most recent time, I mean, we've just been kind of recently. We've been kind of just playing with this line, getting below it, coming back up. But for the most part, we've been above it. I'm talking about the line of 58,164 right here, all right? And right now we have our body of the candle right over this descending line right here, just slightly over it. Okay, so it seems that maybe, just maybe, we want to keep it. Whether we drop some more, I think that would be an opportunity. It would be great to see this thing again drop again, because there are people that are wanting to still buy, and that would cause the price of everything to drop, all coins to drop. But eventually it will snap back. It looks like it's snapping back right now. Look how low it went. 55,006 something, 628. What I don't like is that now it made a lower low, okay, from here, okay, low, higher low, and then boom, lower low. So I don't like that. I don't like that, but not a huge deal, because you got to take a look at everything in its totality, okay. I think yesterday the ETFs on Bitcoin had like the second largest outflow days, all right. So that probably has something to do with it. NASDAQ, just fear in the market. The NASDAQ, although it's rebounding today, I'm sorry, why do I always say that? The Dow Jones, although it's rebounding today, the NASDAQ, although it is rebounding today, you can see the big red days yesterday, okay, and then the S&P 500, same thing, but it looks like it's rebounding today, so that's positive. DXY. Look at this, turned around right here, okay? Probably going to test this, 0.0101. I don't think we're going to start going back up, guys. I really don't, okay? That the dollar does this is exactly what we want to see. It's just a bounce, maybe a dead cat bounce, whatever you want to call it, just a bounce after dropping so much. It's natural to see bounces, okay? But it looks coming back down. I think it's heading back down. Although we could go sideways for a little while before we lose this kind of area right here that you see right here, just above or below. I think we probably will be losing it. Once we lose that, I think Bitcoin is probably going to go crazy at some point the last 3 months, and then all of next year. The way I see it, I showed you guys the up only, right? Although when I say up only, I don't really mean it's just up only and there are not going to be any red days. There will be red days. It's always like that. What goes up must come down. Sometimes sideways consolidation, even though it's up only, but for the most part it will be mostly up. So things are looking good, man. 57,389. It'd be interesting if we could see break back up here, get back up above 58. That would show some strength, and to me it would negate the ugliness of a lower low right here, to be honest with you, from here. All right, the lower low from August 15th. Now today, the 4th September. We just got to get past September as far as I see it. We just got to get to that first rate cut, and I think things will start moving in the opposite direction, the upward direction, guys. Or maybe before that, you know, people could front run it. People could get a little excited and say, okay, you know, I think things are going to move up after that first rate cut, so let me get in first, and that could cause the market and the price to go up before that that first rate cut. So that's how I see that, guys. All right, everything is okay. I wouldn't be too scared right now. I would just be looking at what to buy. Miggles is one of them. I would love to be accumulating Miggles, but let's focus on these guys, Sinverse, all right? Because honestly, great project. I can't say enough good things about this project. I'm insanely bullish on this project, and as I mentioned it before they even donated anything to me, and they didn't even have to do that. Thank you that they did. Just numbers wise, man, just looking at it coldly, logically, 2.5 million market cap. Okay, fully diluted 3.8 million. Okay, so not worried about that there. 1.2 million in volume, almost 3 million in volume, guys. All right, they're in Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, BitGet, BingX, Bitmart. Okay, so they are in exchanges. All right, they're on the BNB chain. Website looks good, the game looks good, and they are constantly improving that game. Let's take a look at the chart, because I like looking at charts, as you know. All right, to me, after this long drop, it woke up. I remember I've been mentioning gaming has woken up. I've shown you examples of it. This is one of them. All right, and today it reversed course. Although yesterday it was staying strong, right? It was staying strong. I'm sure there's people positioning themselves, buying up the project, and today it's giving back those returns, those gains. But that's okay, as long as we continuously move up. We can do sideways consolidation and then move up again. Okay. This is fine. This is actually extremely bullish, and this right now 0.0038 after this move up these last 3 days is where you would be buying. This is where I would be buying. Right now, $3,854 will get you $3,854 will get you a million Sinverse. Okay, and this thing I think can go to $1, guys. This thing is legit. And they have a lot of upside. This is a lot of upside that you're buying in at the floor, right? Where I think gaming is going to have a huge final part of this of this cycle. This thing I think can run. Okay, it can run hard. It's still a new project, not too much, right? This came in. I remember this thing getting on my radar. The bull market of last one. So I mean, they came in towards the tail end of the bull market, right? And they're just dropping ever since. Then they moved up, and now they've dropped right back down. So I think this next move up, I think, is gonna rip through here, and I can honestly see them going to $1. That's not even $1 billion in market cap. 624 million market cap, guys. All right, I can definitely see that. What is that? And yes, I have a little happy face there, because I had 2 million of these things, and I believe in the project. 261x, and I think they can do it. Maybe even higher. Once people start seeing this project. It really is a great project. You can check out their Twitter and Sinverse right here. 59.6 thousand followers. The game right here. First Mafia metaverse on the blockchain. Think of like Grand Theft Auto. Sinverse 3.0 is coming out very soon. Okay, they have pretty decent numbers on X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it. All right, this guy Superman actually likes this project. Let's see. I don't know. Let's take a look to see how many people are talking about it, because I think that's what they really need. Once people start talking about it, this thing gets a buzz. I think this thing has all the makings of hype. I mean, to get hype, but they can back it up, because name a game that's already out there functioning. Name one, or a big game that's already out there functioning. You can play it right now. Okay, let's see. An hour ago. That not a whole lot of people are talking about 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago. Same people. Not a whole lot of people are talking about it. That gives it a lot more upside. I'd like to see this part take off. Once this part takes off, of people start talking about it, man, this thing is gonna move, because it doesn't take much to move it. And you already saw the volume, 1.2 million, almost 1.3 million. Super bullish on this project, and I didn't have to be because I had zero exposure to it. Once my stuff got stolen. So let's take a look at the website really quick. And they are constant. So you can download for Windows. Okay, download the white paper. You can play the game now. Okay, buy land. It's a metaverse. Okay, it's a shoot 'em up game. Okay, again, think of Grand Theft Auto. You can win Sin, but the good thing about that is that's not going to kill the price of the token, because I think they do that from buybacks. Okay, there's only going to be a billion. What's the tokenomics again? Billion. Okay, so I mean, we're not looking at a game that has only 10% supply out, and there's going to be huge dilution, which is going to affect the price, and you don't want that. This thing, from all angles, it's just a micro cap. That's all. But these are the ones that can give you 100x, and this one I think can give you 200x, guys. All right, so definitely take a big look at Sinverse. Go do your homework on it, okay? Go take a look at what they're doing, okay? You can play this game. Go play the game. I honestly haven't played the game because I don't play games, man. But these guys even donated NFTs. I never had NFTs. These guys donated a couple NFTs to me. DFW Labs, which is a market maker. Interesting, guys. These guys are cooking. This project is going to do extremely well. I think this project is going to be one of those where people are like, crap, I wish I would have bought at 2 million market cap. These are the ones that can do big money for you, man. All right, so definitely take a strong look at Sinverse. Once again, thank you to the Sinverse team for sending me the 100,000 tokens. Wow, that's amazing. That's $300, man, for free. Super cool. Thank you so much. And the NFTs, I haven't checked them out because I don't know much about NFTs. It's not my thing. I'm more like the crypto, but I will check that out. Thank you for that. And guys, definitely check out Sinverse, man. This thing looks like it could fly, and it looks like it's woken up. I already told you my thesis on gaming. I think the game is going to do well. Bitcoin is going to be all right. Maybe we drop a little bit more this week. Okay, September is by all accounts a bad month, and everyone's talking about how bad this month is going to be. So maybe it is manifest destiny. All right, so maybe we do drop a little bit more, but that's okay. Honestly, that is okay, because good things are just around the corner. You just have to hold on for a little bit longer. Even in September, maybe towards the end of September, things are going to start moving up. But October, November, December, $80,000 to $100,000 Bitcoin, guys. All right, and that means everything else is going to pump up hard too, especially these microcaps like Sinverse. Sinverse with a working game already. All right, we'll leave it there, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I am trying to grow this channel, and honestly, all that stuff really does help. Let's see if we can grow this community and make it something so we can help. I can help as many people as possible, and you guys too, by extension, of course, and help yourselves as well. All right. All that said, thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.